All right, here we go. Lesson 87, page 95. Let's try that again. Math 87, lesson 95, page 183. Kind of got those mixed up. All right, this is about volume, okay? Oh, my soul. For those of you that have memorized the formulas, you know what the formula for volume is. Area of the base times height. Area of the base times height. It's the area of the base times the height of the object, whatever we have. Okay? Times the height of the object. Now, to know what the area of the base is, I have three choices, because we only know three things. Area of a rectangle is base times height. Area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. Area of a circle is pi times radius squared. 3.14 times radius squared, okay? Area is always squared. Volume is always cubed. All right, now watch. This is called a rectangular prism, okay? A rectangular prism. It means this piece here and this piece back here are the same. Top and bottom are the same. This piece and the back side over here are the same. On this, and on this kind only, anything could be the base. This could be the base. That would be 8 times 4 times the height of the object from base to base. I'm not going to go through the whole thing, but any of them could be the base. This could be the base, this could be the base, this could be the base. So on a rectangular prism, to find the volume, all you have to do is multiply the three numbers together. 8 times 4 is 32. 32 times 10 is 320. And it's centimeters cubed. This has to be on here. This has to be on here. That cubed does not go over here. It goes on the measurement. It's centimeters times centimeters times centimeters. That's centimeters cubed. Centimeter times centimeter times centimeter. On a rectangular prism, you just multiply the three numbers together. And you have to have the measurement on there. This is part of the answer. If this is not here, I'm going to mark it wrong. You'll do this, turn it in, and I will come with my little red pen, because red is so much a fun color to use, and I will do this, and I'll mark it wrong. You have to have the measurement in there. You have to have the measurement in there. That's part of the answer. That tells me that it's volume. All right? So, rectangular prism, just multiply the three numbers together, units cubed. Okay? I'm going to get this out of here. All right? This one here is called a, thank you very much, triangular prism. Okay? If I completed all the little stuff here, if I did this, there's the part you can't see in the back. It goes from triangle to triangle. Now, you got to listen to me, guys. The base of this thing is not the bottom of this thing. Base does not mean bottom. Base does not mean bottom. Because I could take this and I could put it anywhere I want. I could put this on the bottom. I have this on the bottom. I could have this on the bottom. That's not. The base is the place where you cut it. If I cut it across here like this and sliced it like a piece of bread, every piece that fell off would be an identical triangle. You understand? This is the base. This is the height of the object. Okay? This is the base of the object. It's a triangle. This is the height of the object. Okay? How do I find the area of the base? How do I find the area of the base? It's a triangle. Base times height divided by 2. On this triangle, okay, on this triangle, if you pull this off, it looks like this. This is 6, 3, and 12. What's the base and height of this thing? Base and height are always around that. So base and height, yes? Base and height. This has nothing to do with the problem at all, We're not going to use this number at all, okay? So, for the area of the base, 6 times 3 divided by 2. Triangle. Don't forget to divide by 2. Okay? And then you multiply it times the height of the object from base to base. I shouldn't use next there. Times 10. Okay? What I like to do is cross cancel if I can. 1, 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Times 10, it's 90. And what units are we in? Inches cubed. Inch times inch, inch times inch times inch. Inches cubed. So it's base of the area of the base. 6 times 3, base and height. This is the slant height, nothing to do with it. This times this, like here, cross cancel, multiply times the height of the object right here. All right? This here is called a right circular cylinder. It's a circular cylinder. The base of this thing here is a circle. Okay, so area of the base, area of a circle. Here's the radius. All right? So I put that number into that equation. So you got 3.14 times 4 squared. 4 times 4 is 16. 6 times 4 is 24. 6, 8. 6 times 3 is 18. My place value 0. 4, 1, 3. Add. There's 4. There's 2. Carry the 1, 0. Carry the 1, 4. And how many decimal places do I have? 2. So this is 40.24. This is the area of the base. Now I have to multiply it times the height of the object, which is from base to base, right there. Times 10. I don't want to see all the zeros and stuff, okay? Move the decimal over 1, 402.4 feet cubed. Understand? Area of the base times the height. The base is a circle, okay? 3.14 times 4 squared, which is 16. That answer times 10. Triangular prism. Area of the base times the height. It is a triangle. Base times height divided by 2. Base times height divided by 2 times the height, okay? And on this one here that I took off in a rectangular prism, wow, sorry. Supposedly it's all meat. Just multiply the 3 numbers together, units cubed, okay? Remember, base does not mean bottom. The base is where you cut it, slice it. If I slice this here like this, I get off identical circles. If I cut it this way, small, bigger, 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 smaller, smaller, smaller. If I cut it this way, I get smaller all the way to the top. The base is the part that is the same top and bottom. Okay, and don't forget to put the units cubed on your answer.